Hello and welcome back to TAO Crypto for another video. And today's video, we could be diving into TAO and see where we like it to end in the next couple of weeks and whether we will eventually clear the area of $314 or are we going to crash down even further. So to find out, please stick around and watch the show. Alright guys, so it's going to be a quick dive into TAO. Since um, since the formation of the charts, it looks like as typically whenever coin comes out new to any exchanges, we will always see typically a big breakout to the upside, but followed by a massive dump. Now we saw this big red engulfing candle that signifies it's the end of this movie, which is typical, especially with new coins. And then we've gone as high as $321 here. But if you look at this wick here, or even that wick, in fact, up to 347 to $350, then we came crashing all the way back down in the region of 232. In fact, if I was to just zoom out a little, actually we went even further down to approximately $192. And ever since, we've been trying to push our way up to try to get ourselves at least above this line over here. In fact, let's draw some lines. And this could be quite bullish actually. If we do end up closing above the green line, which is currently our resistance, then I could see us creeping our way back up towards $319, which would be a very bullish scenario for TAO. However, as things stand, I'm not quite certain exactly when that's going to happen because it looks more likely that we are going to follow through back down and perhaps go even further down to 195 or even 175. The reason why I say that is because whenever we do break down and go down, say for example, lower low past this one over here, that usually spells the end of the bullish sentiment, and we are more than likely to go even further down after retesting of our support line, so resistance line that used to be support. So we should be expecting anything like this once I draw the arrows out. Alright, so we've done this, and it looks like that we will be going further down and potentially coming back up to around about this zone and then pushing even further low. Or we can go sideways here for a little while before ultimately pushing back up for when the bull season kicks in. But I think this is more plausible because we've made lower lows and lower high and we're continuing to going down. So we test that area now, but if we do drop back down, we're more than likely to come back into this area here. Otherwise, if we do break below this area here, which is currently our support line, we can see something like this going back up before you retest this support line and quite possibly it might turn into a resistance line before we make our way back down. Now this, I can see this play out potentially in the next maybe between 10 to 12 weeks. But let's just hope that we do actually break up from this resistance line there. Only if and when we do break up from here, then I can see more of a bullish sentiment that we should be able to make our way back up to around about 319 cents. So $319, not cents. Either way, this is just my my short to medium term prediction of TAO. I'm going to be looking into TAO and see how much higher this could possibly go. In a bull market, especially this ultra bull market coming in, I can potentially see TAO go towards $1,000 or even more. And I'll be updating you guys on this coin and we will figure out where it's going to be heading and update with all the latest information on TAO. So if you find this quick, useful, informative trading setup, just give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and as well, if you like this video, you might also like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.